Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. In this session, we are going to practice sun salutation. We are going to understand the breathing techniques, the movement, the procedures, and the use of sun salutation. Before that, some preliminary postures for the core muscles. Lie on your back, fold both the legs, heel closer to the hips, foot 6 inches apart, foot parallel to one another, neck at the center, chin towards the chest. Keep both palm on the abdomen. As you inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand, and as you exhale, it should contract. Watch the complete abdominal cavity, including the lower back. Feel the breathing, feel the effect of breathing on both the anterior and posterior surfaces. Keep both the palm by the side of the trunk. As you inhale, rise both arms up over the head. Then as you exhale, bring them back. Keep both arms straight. Match your breathing and the action. As we inhale, the hand should lift off. Towards the end of the inhalation, the palm should be resting again on the floor over the head. Then I should start exhaling, and at the end of the exhalation, the palm should again touch the floor. Watch the shoulder joint, watch the movement of the shoulder blades, watch the thoracic cavity, get connected with the breathing. This is a very simple movement to mobilize the shoulder joint and the complete shoulder complex. Feel the weight of the arms and ensure that the movement is as synchronous as possible on both the right and the left hand. Then relax. Rise your right leg up, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, toes towards the knee, tighten the quadriceps. Feel the back of the thigh. This is a good stretch for the muscles of the legs, hips. It also helps the lower back. Keep the right leg down, chain, left leg up. Left leg absolutely straight, pull the kneecap, stretch the heel, toes towards the knee. That would stretch the Achilles tendon, which will further help the calf muscle to get a good stretch. And since the calf muscle crosses the knee, it also helps the hamstring muscles, back of the thigh, to stretch better. Feel the muscles, feel the breathing. Left leg down. One more time, right leg up. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. You should also remember to press the left foot firmly. For that you have to activate the calf muscle, and also you should tighten the left hamstring muscles, back of the thigh, so that you can feel the corners of the knee better. You should activate the knee capsule. As we inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. right leg down, left leg. Stretch the heel, pull the kneecap. These movements are very preliminary to any other postures that one need to do, because these postures help to tone the core muscles, especially in the region of the lower back, pelvis and hip. Left leg down, right leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee close to the chest. So you should draw the knee close to the chest from both the hands. Stretch the right heel. On both the legs, tighten the hamstring muscles, back of the thigh. This is very useful posture for the gluteal minimus and medius muscles. Also helps the lower back. Good breathing also helps the abdominal region. Release right leg, chain. Left leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee close to the chest. Don't leave the right leg passive. You should press the right foot, activate the calf muscle, squeeze the back of the thigh against the calf muscle and feel the inner corners of the knee. As you inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. In this posture, you can see a pronounced effect on the posterior region. Release left leg. One more time, right leg. Right leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. You have to breathe against the pressure of the thigh. Then the action of breathing can be felt better in the region of the lower back. Release right leg, chain. Left leg up, fold, hold the knee, press the knee close to the chest. Release left leg. Right leg up, fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel closer to the root of the left thigh. From right hand, push the knee. Feel the base of the spine. As you inhale, try to sensitize the base of the spine. Even here, tighten the hamstring muscles. Release right leg, chain. Left leg, fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel across the left thigh, taking the heel to the root of the thigh. From left hand, push the knee. This is a simple posture to mobilize the sacroiliac joint. That is the articulation between the spinal column and the hip bone. Activate both the legs, especially the back of the thigh. Release left leg. One more time. Right leg up. Fold. Pull the heel to the root of the left thigh. This is good for the hip as well as the back, and obviously a very good movement for the knee joint. Get involved with the posture, with the breathing. Release right leg, chain, left leg up, fold, take the heel to the root of the right thigh and push the left knee. Always get connected with your breathing. The practice has to become meditative. Release left leg, right leg up, fold. From left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull. From right hand, push the right knee across the chest. But do not allow the pelvic rim to rotate. This is an excellent stretch for the gluteal maximus muscle, one of the major muscles of our system. Release right leg, chain. Left leg up, fold. From right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull it. From left hand, push the knee across the chest. Feel the stretch in the gluteal region. You are stretching one of the major muscles. Feel also the lower back. Feel the pelvis. So this complete lumbopelvic hip complex is getting toned in these postures. Release right leg, chain. Right leg up. From left hand, pull the ankle joint. From right hand, push the knee across the chest. Breathe well. So good breathing also helps the intestinal organs to get rejuvenated. Even here, you have to tighten the hamstrings on both the legs at the back of the thigh. Release right leg, chain. Left leg up, fold. From right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull it. From left hand, push the knee across the chest. have to press the right foot firmly. For that you have to activate the calf muscle. Knee capsule must be tightened on both the legs. For that you have to tighten the back of the thigh. So get involved completely, thoroughly, totally. Be in the present. Release life, click. Stretch your left leg. Slowly get up from the right side. Take a blanket, folded one. Sit on the blanket with the knee. Go to the all fours position, knee below the hips. Palms below the shoulders. Middle finger pointing forward. Trunk nearly parallel to the ground. As we inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Well, open the shoulders, chest and navel up. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Shashankasana. Keep the palm pressed. Do not slide the palm. You have to keep the palm pressed. Now inhale, come up to the all fours. Exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Well, open the shoulders, chest and navel up. Lift the neck up the clavicle. Stretch the toes, tighten the calf muscle. Inhale, come to the all fours. Exhale, slowly bend forward, Shashankasana. But ensure that the arms do not flex. Arms straight, press the palm. Inhale, come up to the all fours. Then exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Watch the variation of the forces on the palm and the wrist. Well, open the chest, stretch the toes, squeeze the calf muscle in Bhujangasana. It's very important. Inhale, come up to the all fours, and from all fours, exhale, move down, Shashankasana. Inhale, come to the all fours. Exhale, slowly bend. The action should be smooth, well coordinated with the breathing. Inhale, come to the all fours. Exhale, bend forward. Keep the palm pressed. Fingers spread apart, middle finger pointing forward. Inhale, come up to the all fours. Sit on your heel. Now we are going to do sun salutation. The very first posture, stand upright, join the palm, press the palm, Namaskara. Join the heel, join the big toe, pull the kneecap, roll the thighs in. Inhale, stretch both arms up. As you exhale, slowly bend back. Urdhvasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, come up. Then exhale, bend forward. Uttanasana. Legs straight. If possible, keep both the palm by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, right leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Keep the palm pressed, look forward. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Here arms perpendicular, trunk nearly parallel to the ground, foot from the base of the metatarsals perpendicular to the floor, legs straight. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Here head, trunk, hip, legs parallel to the ground, foot perpendicular. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Well open the chest, lift the neck up the clavicle, look up, stretch the toes, tighten the calf muscle, press the palm. Inhale, exhale, fold the toes, move to Adho-Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight, lift the scapula up, stretch the spine, press the foot completely, legs absolutely straight, pull the kneecap. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. The foot should ideally come in between the palm, and in this movement the palm should not get off the floor. Ideally. Inhale, exhale, left leg also forward, Uttanasana. Palm still pressed firmly on the floor. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Chest up, navel up. Pull the kneecap. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Urdhvasana. Ensure the arms are straight, legs are straight. Do not hold the breath. Keep breathing. And as we inhale, come up. Then as we exhale, bend forward. Keep both the palm by the side of the foot. Initially, if this is difficult, let the palm be little up, but when moving to the next posture, keep the palm down and take your left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. And when you take the left leg back, ensure to maintain its line and length. The direction has to be properly oriented. Inhale, exhale, right leg back, fold the toes inward, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Arms straight, legs straight, foot perpendicular, arms perpendicular to the floor, trunk nearly parallel to the floor. Feel the pressure on the palm, wrist, elbow. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Only 4 parts, palm and feet on the floor. Head, trunk, hip, legs parallel to the floor. Feel the pressure on the elbow, palm, wrist. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana, stretch the toes, squeeze the calf muscle, tighten the buttocks, push the tailbone down, bend back completely, look up. Shoulder should be rolled out, neck should be lifted up and bend back. Fold the toes, inhale, exhale, move to Adho-Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. In all these movements, keep the palm firmly glued to the floor. Initially it may be difficult, but with practice you will get it. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. This is the second one we are doing, so we are taking the left leg. In all even numbers, left leg would move back. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Keep the palm pressed. From here, as you inhale, come up to Namaskarasana. Chest up, navel up. We will go through the breathing pattern one more time. Pull the kneecap, chest and navel up. Press the palm, forearms parallel to the ground. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, bend back. Then do not hold the breath, breathe well. Keep the arms straight, legs straight. Bend back as much as possible. As we inhale, come up. As we exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Keep the palm by the side of the foot, middle finger pointing forward. You should bend more from the hip. Now inhale, exhale, right leg back. Because this is the third cycle, we are taking the right leg back. In all odd number cycle, we are going to do this. Ekapada Prasaranasana. look forward, fold the toes, inhale, exhale, left leg back. You should match that breathing and action. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Arm straight, leg straight, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. Now inhale. As you exhale, slowly flex the arms, move down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Keep the elbows closer to the trunk. Again, inhale. As you exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes. Be strong on your calf muscles. Straighten the buttocks. Will open the shoulders. Lift the neck. Look up. Press the palm. Keep on feeling that pressure on the palm. Now fold the toes. Inhale, exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. So, thus for all these movements are with exhalation. Arm straight, leg straight. Inhale, exhale, right foot forward. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Foot should come ideally between the palms, and palms should not take off the floor in all these movements. But initially you may have a little difficulty in this. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Uttanasana. Arm straight, leg straight. Breathe well. From Uttanasana, inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Chest up, navel up, pull the kneecap. Look at the alignment of the spinal column. Spinal column in good neutral position in Namaskarasana. You have to press the palm. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Now the spinal column is going to a hyperextension. Right from the base of the spine to the cervical spine. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Although this is a forward bend posture, most of this bending is from the hip. Therefore, this is a hip flexion. Keep the palm pressed. Uttanasana. Arm straight, leg straight. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. This is the fourth cycle, even numbered cycle. So left leg back. In all even numbered cycle, we are going to take the left leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Look forward. Press the palm. Keep breathing well. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Trunk parallel to the ground. Arm straight, leg straight. Feel the variation in pressure in all these movements. On the palm, wrist, ankle, elbow. Now inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. Feel your shoulder joint, elbow, wrist, palm. Inhale, exhale, move to Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes. Well open the shoulders. Look up. This is also a good hyperextension to the spinal column. Inhale, exhale, fold the toes. Move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arm straight, legs straight. Stretch the spine. Lift the scapulae up. The shoulder blade should not sink down. It should move up. Spinal column, you should stretch it, taking the head closer to the ground. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Foot should come in one single stride. Initially, it may be little difficult. Look forward. Inhale, exhale. Right leg forward. Uttanasana. Pull the kneecap. Activate the hamstring muscles, back of the thigh. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Chest and navel up. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, bend back. Feel the movement of the arms. This is a good backward bend to the complete spinal column, sacrum, lumbar, thoracic, cervical, complete segments, bend back. But keep the arms and legs straight. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Feel the movement. This is mostly from the hip. Keep the legs straight, pull the kneecap, tighten the gluteal muscles. Now inhale, exhale, right leg back. Now feel the differential movement in the hip. The left hip is in flexion, right hip is in extension. Feel your lower back. In Ekapada Prasaranasana, from here inhale, exhale, move to Dvipada Prasaranasana. Trunk should be parallel. Feel your shoulder joint, elbow, wrist. Trunk parallel. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbows closer to the trunk. Feel the loading on the shoulder joint, elbow, wrist. Press the palm. Feel your toes, ankle. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Activate the calf muscle. Calf muscle is very, very important. It's called the second heart of the body. So for this you have to stretch the toes and squeeze the calf muscle. The foot is in plantar flexion in Bhujangasana. Fold the toes in, inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana, hip towards the ceiling, head towards the flooring. Now the foot goes into the dorsiflexion and the calf muscle stretches. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Again feel the differential movement at the hips. Look forward. Even here stretch the toes back of the left leg. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Do not strain the neck. Keep the neck relaxed. Pull the kneecap. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Chest and navel up. The spinal column has multiple joints. All the segments get involved in this sun salutation. Inhale, stretch both arms, exhale, bend back. Now you can see all the segments of the spine get a very good backward bend or the hyperextension. Chest, abdomen, they also get good effect. Inhale, come up, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. This is also a good movement for the abdominal region. All the muscles and organs there get rejuvenated. Good for the leg muscles. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. Stretch the toes. Even here tighten the calf muscle. Feel the differential movement. Feel your lower back. Breathe well. Inhale, exhale, right leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Feel the abdominal region, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. Breathe well. Watch your wrist, elbow, shoulder joint. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. Press the palm completely. Feel the pressure on the palm. Inhale, exhale, move to Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes. Watch your calf muscle. Watch your back. Well, open the chest. Look up. Inhale, fold the toes. Then exhale, hips up, head down. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Feel your calf muscle. Now it is getting a good stretch. Foot is in dorsiflexion. Inhale, exhale, left foot forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Look forward. Get involved. Feel all the muscles, all the bones, all the joints. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, Uttanasana. Watch your breathing. Match the action and the breathing. From Uttanasana, you have to inhale and come to Namaskarasana. Chest and navel up. Pull the kneecap. Press the palm. Forearms parallel to the ground. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, bend back. You can see the abdominal, pelvis and the chest cavity. They get a very good stretch so that the organs contained in them, the urogenital organs, the intestinal organs, the heart and the lungs get a good stretch. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Again the abdominal cavity gets a good rejuvenating movement in this posture. There is also a slight inversion of the blood flow. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back. Here the abdominal region gets a good compression because of the left thigh. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale. Left leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Here the abdominal region sees a downward force. So use your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Flex the elbow. Move down. Chaturanga. It's a very good movement for the strength and stability of the shoulder joint and the elbows. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana, stretch the toes and the calf muscle. Here also watch the pelvic cavity, abdominal cavity, chest cavity. All the organs there get a rejuvenating effect. It's also good for the neck muscles, good hyperextension. Inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana, hips towards the ceiling, head towards the flooring, arms straight, legs straight, good for the diaphragm. Mild reversal of blood flow can also be experienced here. Good for the complete muscles. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Watch your base of the spine. Keep the palm pressed. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Uttanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. In all these movements, you should ensure that the postures are attained properly. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. That is why in the beginning, do not hurry through the postures. Speed is not the important criteria. You must recruit the muscles, feel the muscles properly. From Namaskarasana, inhale, both arms up, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. And when you bend, there should be no jerk. You should make the movements very smooth. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Either when you are bending forward or backward, ensure that the movements are smooth. Uttanasana, press the palms on the floor. Legs straight, be strong on both the legs. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. And when you stretch the left leg back, ensure that you maintain proper symmetry. That is, left leg should not go sideways. Look forward. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale. Right leg also back. Trunk nearly parallel to the ground. All these movements should be very smooth. No jerks. Inhale, exhale. Flex the elbow. Move down. Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbows closer to the trunk. Feel your elbow. Feel the shoulders. Feel the wrist. The movement should be very, very controlled. No jerks. Inhale, exhale, move to Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes, straighten the calf muscle, bend back, look up. All these things have to be one smooth, contiguous movement pattern without any jerkiness anywhere. Again, inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. So you must pay attention to the way you are moving. It's not only the posture, but the movement should also be well attended to. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana, look forward. When you take the leg from Adho Mukha Svanasana to this Ekapada Prasaranasana, ensure that there are no jerks again. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Legs straight. Palm on the floor, by the side of the foot. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Press the palm, chest up, navel up. Pull the kneecap, roll the thighs in, tighten the buttocks. That itself is good for the spinal column and the complete muscles. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Develop a feel for the complete pelvis, abdomen and chest, muscles and organs. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Press the palm on the floor by the side of the foot. Again, feel the abdominal cavity, hip. Watch your back. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Look forward. Watch both the foot. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana, arms straight, legs straight. Keep on watching how multiple joints are getting involved. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, Chaturanga. Press the palm. Attend to the breathing. Inhale, exhale, Bhujangasana. Bend back, look up. You can see in this movement pattern most of the major muscles and joints of our system are involved in sun salutation. That is the reason why this is an all body mind program. Inhale, exhale, Adhomukha Shvanasana. Arm straight, legs straight. Especially here, arm, trunk, legs completely involved. Press the palm, do not slide the palm. Inhale, exhale, right foot forward, Ekapada Prasanasana. You have to look forward, breathe well. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Uttanasana. So in all these movements, the movements have to be very graceful. In the sense there should be no jerkiness. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Press the palm. Next thing that we should also observe is to set our breathing pattern right with the movements and with the posture. So you have to be very carefully watch. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back. Then in the posture, do not hold the breath. Breathe well, breathe comfortably. Then as you inhale, come up, and as you exhale, bend forward. By the time you end the exhalation, your palm should be on the floor. You should have reached Uttanasana. In Uttanasana, breathe, maybe a couple of cycles. Then inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Even here, keep breathing well. Before the next movement, you should inhale and you should accomplish the movement with exhalation. Exhale, right leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Breathe well. As you inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. In the posture, then again inhale, exhale during the movement. Flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. Even here, watch your breathing. Before you make the movement, you inhale. Then accomplish the movement as we exhale. So inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes. Be strong on your calf muscles. Stretch the toes. Well open the shoulders. Get completely, thoroughly involved. Again inhale, exhale, move to Adhomukha Shvanasana. By the time you completely exhale, you should have reached complete posture of Adhomukha Shvanasana. Keep breathing there, 1 or 2 cycles. Then inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. So you should attend to the breathing. And you should match the breathing and the action. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana, legs straight. Even in breathing, there should be no heaviness, no jerkiness. In Uttanasana, inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. So when breathing is also well coordinated, the practice becomes meditative in nature. From Namaskarasana, press the palm, inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. And also care for the timings. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. So if you match well, the timing will automatically be taken care of. Uttanasana, press the palm. Inhale, exhale, right leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana. So stay in the posture, the movement, all the timings have to be catered to. For that, you have to get thoroughly, completely involved. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Dvipada Prasanasana. That means From cycle to cycle, the timing should not vary, the duration should not vary. From Dvipada Prasanasana, inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, move to Bhujangasana. The duration of stay in a posture, the duration for movement from posture to posture, they have to be carefully monitored. Well, open the chest, look up. Inhale, exhale, Adho-Mukha Shvanasana. Arms straight, legs straight, stretch the spine. So the best way to monitor the timing is to give close attention to the breathing. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Legs straight. So the duration we have to maintain, and that is what we call as consistency. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. So the duration should not vary from cycle to cycle. Press the palm, chest and navel up. Pay attention to all these parameters. Inhale, stretch, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. The movement patterns, the muscles, organs that are getting involved, the breathing. Inhale, come up, exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Press the palm by the side of the foot. When you pay close attention, you can ensure that the mind does not waver. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasanasana. Mind does not go to the past, future, past. Inhale, exhale, Dvipada Prasanasana. Then the mind can easily get into the state of presence. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, Chaturanga Dandasana. So when the mind can be in the present with all these components of sun salutation, the practice of sun salutation becomes meditative and it becomes a holistic exercise. Inhale, exhale, Bhujangasana. Well, open the chest. And thus sun salutation benefits not only the mind-body complex, but also it helps us to elevate spiritually. Inhale, exhale, Adho-Mukha Shvanasana. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. And because of all these movement patterns, excess fat can also be safely burnt through the practice of sun salutation. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. In Uttanasana, legs have to be perpendicular to the floor. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Press the palm, chest and navel up. Be relaxed. So thus sun salutation can also be a very safe weight management program. As you can see, it involves major muscles of the body in a very, very uniform and intense way. Now slowly lie down, keep a appropriate neck pad. Lie down in Shavasana. Spread the legs and arms sideways. symmetrically about the longitudinal axis of the body. Chin towards the chest, neck at the center, eyes gently closed, relax your tongue, nose, throat and the jaws. Completely surrender. Watch your foot. Drop the foot. Feel the ankle joint. As you can see, the foot has gone through a very good range of movement in sun salutation. A good downward stretch and upward stretch. That is plantar flexion and dorsiflexion. Then watch the legs, especially the calf muscles. They have gone through a fantastic range of toning movements, especially the Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. In Bhujangasana, the calf muscle is tightened. In Adho Mukha Svanasana, it is relaxed, rather stretched. So that helps to keep the tone of this muscle. And this muscle has an impact or a bearing on the venous returns. There is impure blood from the lower extremities to the heart. In pumping that, this muscle has a great impact. Then watch your knee joints. Knee joint goes through the two important movements of flexion and extension. That is bending and stretching. And because it is done in coordination with good activation of the muscles that pass through the knee, the sun salutation also greatly helps the health of the knee joint. Then watch your thigh, especially the back of the thigh, the hamstring muscles. They are greatly activated in sun salutation. Even the quadricep muscles and the hip flexors, they are highly involved. The gluteal muscles, they also go through a cycle of flexion and extension. And the pelvis, abdominal cavity, chest cavity, because of that series of forward and backward bends, they get greatly rejuvenated. Watch the complete spinal column, the paraspinal muscles. They get a very good rejuvenating movement. Watch the shoulder joints, the scapulae, the shoulder complex. They also find great movement pattern, strength, stability, elbows, wrist, palm. They all find a good rejuvenating movement, especially the base of the palm gets into a good alternating pressure patterns, and the base of the palm has several reflexology points, activating which will help the complete neuromuscular system. So in sun salutation, by way of pressing the palm and giving the loading onto the palm, with our own weight activates all these pressure points, thus helping the overall health of our system. Then the wrist and the elbow, they get a good loading in varied angles in various postures of sun salutation, thus helping the musculoskeletal system there. The shoulder joint also sees a good strength and flexibility. Region of the throat and neck get a good movement. Watch your skull cavity, complete facial muscles and organs, even to these upper extremities. The blood flow pattern varies in several of these postures. Thus helping the conditioning of these systems. This way, sun salutation helps our complete system. And when more number of cycles are done, it also helps in fat metabolism. Initially, one has to practice it slowly, understand the postures, learn to coordinate the breathing with the postures and the movements. Then only one should focus on increasing the number of cycles to be practiced. Doing this way, sun salutation becomes a very safe, complete mind-body program. Slowly get up from Shavasana, get up from the right side, sit upright in Swastikasana. Namaste.